AI, artificial intelligence, Forex trading robot provided final report about Forex Gold XAUUSD current trend.
Alright, let's analyze the M15 15-minute chart you've provided. Key observations. Candlestick patterns. The M15 chart shows the most granular price action, with frequent fluctuations within the 15-minute time frame. You can see a mix of green and red candles, reflecting the high volatility at this level. There is a recent series of red candles, indicating a downward trend. The most recent candle is a small red candle, indicating continued bearish pressure. Price range. The price range is roughly from 2,911.00 to 2,920.00. The current price is around 2,915.04. Trend indication. The M15 chart confirms the short-term bearish bias we've observed in the other timeframes. The recent series of red candles indicates a clear downward trend in this timeframe. Trend assessment. M15. The M15 timeframe provides the clearest indication of short-term bearish pressure. The recent series of red candles and the current small red candle suggest that the price is likely to continue moving downwards in the immediate short term. This aligns with the trend observed in the longer timeframes. Overall trend report, based on all provided charts. Summary, based on the analysis of the day range, D1, H4, H1, M30, and M15 charts, the overall trend for XAUUSD Gold appears to be short-term bearish with a potential for continued consolidation. Key points. Day range shows a slight decrease, indicating a minor downward trend for the current day. D1, daily, shows a period of fluctuation and potential consolidation with recent candles indicating a downward movement. H4, 4-hour, indicates consolidation with potential short-term bearish pressure. H1, 1 hour, reinforces the idea of short-term consolidation and potential bearish pressure with recent candles showing a downwards trend. M30, 30-minute, further confirms the short-term bearish bias with recent candles showing a downwards trend. M15, 15-minute, provides the clearest indication of short-term bearish pressure with a recent series of red candles. Conclusion. While the longer-term trends, D1, H4, show consolidation and indecision, the shorter-term trends, H1, M30, M15, consistently point towards a bearish bias. This suggests that the price is likely to continue moving downwards in the immediate short term. However, the consolidation observed in the longer time frames indicates that the price may not move significantly in either direction. Important note. This analysis is based on the provided chart images and should not be considered financial advice. Trading involves risk, and it's essential to conduct your own research and analysis before making any trading decisions.